Executive Chairman of the People's Front for Freedom, PFF, Erias Lukwago, appeared before the High Court in Kampala today, Friday, for the hearing of his bail application before Justice David Matovu. Security at the High Court was unusually heavy, with a large deployment of prison officers and other security personnel positioned inside and outside the court premises. The strong security presence also extended to parts of Kampala's city center, as authorities maintained tight control over access to the court. According to the people at the scene, Lukwago was escorted into Justice David Matavu's chambers through a separate entrance rather than the main court where supporters, journalists, and members of the public had gathered. Access to the chambers was reportedly limited to his lawyers and a few close relatives, while many other supporters and observers were denied entry.
Mr. President, this from where we give some. Where we give Mr. President. Thank you. Where we give some. Thank you.
The extensive security deployment sparked discussion among those who were present, with some questioning why such a large number of officers had been assigned to the court appearance. Authorities have not publicly explained the heightened security measures. After hearing submissions from both sides, Justice David Matovu reserved his ruling on the bail application. Lukwago was returned to Luzira prison, where he will remain in custody until the court delivers its decision. The High Court is expected to rule on the bail application on Thursday, 30th July 2026. The proceedings continue to draw significant public and political interest, with supporters closely following every development in the case. Lukwago was initially kidnapped by Muzi Kerangaba's SFC and taken to a basement. Acholi Side TV will continue monitoring the matter and provide updates as they happen.